Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get beautiful plumped lips. I'm going to show you guys how to make my homemade lip plumping scrub, and then also just show you guys some other tips and tricks that I use to get nice, plump, beautiful lips. Alright guys, so the first step to nice, beautiful, plump lips is going to be to do a lip scrub and get all the dead skin off of your lips. The lip scrub that I use is actually a DIY that I make myself. I use coffee grounds, coconut oil, jojoba oil, cayenne pepper, and cinnamon powder. And so the cayenne pepper and cinnamon powder is going to give you a nice plumping effect because it does burn a little bit. So before you actually put this on your lips, very important to do a test patch. I usually do a test patch like on my arm and make sure that, you know, your skin doesn't react crazy to it. Make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients in the concoction before you put it on your face. So, I mean, I'll show you guys when I put the scrub on, but basically I just do little circles, get all the dead skin off, and then I let it sit on my lips for anywhere from like 10 to 15 minutes. You can leave it on longer for a more plumping effect, or if you're in a rush, 5 minutes will do. Or you don't even have to leave it on at all if you don't want to, because I'm also going to be using a lip plumping lip gloss. So yeah. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients and supplies that you will need to make the lip scrub. I'm just using some coffee grounds, cinnamon powder, jojoba oil, coconut oil, cayenne pepper, and then I'm using this like empty jar that I'm just upcycling to store it in, and a spoon to get all the measurements and mix all the ingredients together. So I'm gonna do a teaspoon of coconut oil. It's really hard to record and do this at the same time. Fail. But you guys get the point. So get 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in the jar. Success. Okay, so after we did 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds. That is not 1 teaspoon. My hand is shaking. This is so hard to do one-handed. Okay, BRB. Alright, so this is how it should be looking so far. Next, I'm gonna add some jojoba oil, and not that much. I'm literally just gonna add just a tiny bit. Alright, now we can add the cinnamon and cayenne pepper, and we want to be really mindful that these two are going to kind of like burn a bit, so you don't want to add too much. I'll show you guys like kind of the amount that I add. I feel like that's okay for now. And then some cayenne. Again, I'm so sorry. This is like so hard to record with one hand. Oh, snap. Uh-oh. God, I'm just making a huge mess right now. So I accidentally put too much cayenne, but I just kind of dumped it out in the sink. And this is what it's looking like. Honestly, I probably put too much, so I probably won't leave it on my lips as long. But yeah, I'm gonna just mix it all up now. Okay, and I'm back, and we have our lip scrub. See how easy that was to make? It literally took like a couple minutes. So this is what it's looking like. Right now I'm just gonna scrub it onto my lips, get all of the dead skin off so that I have a nice smooth surface to put all my products on. And then also the cayenne and the cinnamon are going to give me a nice plump effect. I did accidentally make it pretty strong, so honestly I'm just gonna leave it on for maybe like 5 or 10 minutes, but probably not too long because, yeah. Okay. This part is a little messy, but oh yeah, that's burning. That's burning. That's not that bad. I'm exaggerating. Don't be scared, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna like go in little circles and rub it in. Okay. We looked a little crazy, but let the scrub do its magic, and now we're gonna wait, I would say like about 5 or 10 minutes. And I'll check back in with you guys when it's time. Okay, y'all, so I just washed the lip scrub off, and as you can see, my lips are already a little plumper, especially the bottom one. One thing about the lip scrub though is be careful not to get it like on, like not on your lips, you know what I'm saying? Like be careful not to get it on your skin, cause like right here it's kind of inflamed because I kind of went like too far out. Okay, so let me wait for this to go down a little bit. Okay, so I feel like it kind of went down a little bit. So learn from my mistakes and do not get it on your skin because it will, you know, it's made for plumping and you don't want your skin to be plumped, you want your lips to be plumped, so yeah. Anyways, moving on. I'm going to line my lips with a lip liner that matches my lips basically, like a very natural color. This one is called Peekaboo Neutral by NYX. And I'm just gonna outline, overline, but very slightly. You don't wanna like go too far to the point where people can tell that you overlined your lips. Just very, very subtle overline. But yeah, it's just a very subtle overline. And I know it kind of still looks a little crazy from the lip scrub. So next step is we're going to add Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And this is also a lip plumping gloss. So again, before you put this on your lips, I would do a test patch on your arm just to make sure, because this does burn. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Not like super unbearable, but you are gonna feel little tingles, but it's so worth it. This is like, I've tried so many different lip plumping products out there, glosses, and this is one of the best ones in my opinion. It is a little pricey. This one I want to say goes for like $25 or $26 for this little freaking tube of lip gloss. $25. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna let it sit because it does take like a couple minutes for it to take effect. And since this is pretty potent, you don't want to put too much on. Bam. So just let that baby do its magic, wait a couple of minutes, and okay, y'all, I waited like, I want to say like 5 minutes, and this is the result. I feel like a lot of the swelling has went down now as well, thank God. Okay, so we did our lip scrub, lip liner, plumping gloss, and now what I like to do is add a little bit of like holographic lip gloss in the middle of my lips. I'll show you guys right now. And this one is called, what is this called? The New Normal by NYX. As you guys can tell, I love NYX. If you don't have any lip gloss like this though, sometimes I like to use like shimmery eyeshadow or like highlighter. I feel like that will work as well. So what this does is kind of just creates the illusion that you have bigger lips. And I forgot where I learned this from actually, but I just put like a little dot here and a little dot here. And then I rub it in with my fingers. See? Isn't that so cool? Science. Okay, and once I've done that, I love super glossy lips, as you guys can tell. So what I do is I go in and I add another gloss on top of all of that. And this one is just like a gloss that I got at the beauty supply for like $2.99, $3.99. I like it so far actually. It's from Magic Collection. It's called Rose Oil Lip Gloss. But like any clear lip gloss will do. Bam. So yeah, now we just have like a super glossy plumped lip. And you can do the same kind of method with matte too. I love doing matte lips, but right now I'm kind of been in a glossy mood lately. So maybe I'll do like a different video for matte, or even like a lined lip, ombre lined lip. But yeah. So let me know what you guys think. It's not like a super crazy noticeable difference, but it is a little bit of a, you know, a little extra something. Your girl is scared of needles, so like getting a lip filler is just not an option for me. Also, I feel like I don't, you know, like hate my lips. I don't feel like they're so small to the point where I need lip filler. So I like doing like little things like this to just kind of enhance what I already have. But yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a like, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!